Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to automatically send a copy of the bill in PDF format to the customer's email as soon as the bill is printed. To begin, open Sales Bill Print Designer and the printing window from Continuous Printing. Select the required configuration and sales bill from the search list. Then click Refresh to load the design window. From the menu bar, go to Options and open Mail Settings. Within Mail Settings, you need to add the email field under the Mail to section. To do this, navigate to the Event Resources panel located at the bottom left, and under Sales Bill Details, click on Bill Header Details table. Next, locate the email ID field and right-click to add it to the Mail to section. Specify the subject and body of the email. Then choose the file format as PDF. After that, from the list of sending options, select Preview and Send, or Send directly. From the above given menu bar, click to open the Global Mail Account settings. Under Account Details, define the account name and description. Moving on to the Mail Server settings, click on Gmail and specify the display name along with the email ID that will be used to send mails to the customers. Also check that the account type chosen is POP3. Next, you need to define the login information. For the username, enter your email ID, and for the password, you will need to generate an app password. To do this, log in to your Gmail account, go to Settings, and click on your account. Then, open the Security section and enable two-step verification. Once enabled, search for app passwords in the settings. Click on it. Enter your account password and proceed to create a new app password. Define an app name and click Create. Your unique app password for the device will be generated. Copy it and click Done. Now, return to the configuration window, paste the app password in the password field, and finally click on Test Connection to verify the setup. Once the outgoing server settings are tested successfully, you will receive a confirmation email indicating that the mail account has been configured successfully. After this, save the settings and also save the configuration. Now, open the Sales Multiple Printing configuration. Select the printing configuration attached to the desired series. Under Print Options, go to .NET Printing Configuration and choose the printing configuration in which the mail settings were configured. Next, modify a bill and click on Print. As soon as the bill is printed, you will notice that the preview window opens due to the specified preview and send option. The invoice has also been sent to the customer's email. Now, let us check the mailbox. As you can see, the bill copy has been successfully delivered to the associated email ID. This ensures that whenever a customer's bill is generated, it will be printed and simultaneously sent to their email. Along with this, if your printing format is already designed in the Sale Bill Print Designer, go to Sale Bill Print Designer and Printing window. From there, select the desired configuration and choose the bills from the search list. You also have the option to select multiple bills at once, and the system will automatically send emails with the invoice copies in a single go.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.